Welcome back, nerds and bitches alike.
Welcome back, nerds and bitches alike.
Oh, God.
St. Helens. Oh, man, I wonder if this is adversely effective on our health or some shit.
I don't know.
Maybe my esophagus.
So I need to buy my beer. Ray, the guy who buys my beer. Me, the one who drinks my beer. Far too long to get my beer. So I'll have another beer. Beer. He don't think I'll have a beer. Which just brings me back to...
That felt awesome. It tasted like McDonald's for some reason, dude.
McDonald's? When was the last time you had McDonald's?
Oh, I haven't eaten McDonald's in like 3 years, dude.
Ooh, vintage, yeah.
Right. Cracking into the old safe.
Oh, God. Probably smells as bad as that tooth, that half a tooth I pulled out. That was a molar.
At least my stomach don't sound hollow anymore, dude. That was fucking insane.
Oh, God. Bud, do you think the microphone would pick up the gurgling sound my stomach has when I adversely take a large gulp of air?
Maybe.
Oh, wait, no, that's more throat.
That's him sucking in air.
Uh-oh.
Swallowing air.
Oh, ow. I broke my rhythm when you started talking. Oh. Uh-oh. I heard that.
Yes, so did I. Damn, dude. That sounds like a couple musical instruments. You have the hiccups now?
Chicken. My clogger speaks.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, shit. I think I just might.
Yeah, the hiccups.
Oh, that
Oops. No way you turned your head. Oops. Oh, that was fucking awesome. Damn it, I thought I got rid of him with that last one. Oh, fuck.
It is a quest. One quest to cure them all of the hiccups. You're starting to work up a sweat.
I think I'm gonna have to take a dump soon, dude. Oh, damn.
Saliva buildup.
Right.
Ew. Fucking hiccups. Oh, God damn it.
So far, excessive burping can cause stomachache, hiccups.
Oh, damn.
And possibly puking.
Ew.